friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Crypto Helper Official. In this video, we are going to share you another big project called Shikoku Star, and the website link is shikokustar.com. Before we start this video, guys, a small disclaimer. Everything you're going to hear and see in this video is not going to be an investment advice. My job is to find and introduce you guys to the most trusted and reliable projects. So please make sure to invest at your own risk only. Transforming the world of meme tokens, Shikoku Star is a decentralized token on the Binance Smart Chain based on a deflectory system and a community-focused cryptocurrency with an NFT game in development, NFT marketplace, and unique tokenomics to fuel its growth. They are the first project that not only to have a utility but will give back to the world in real time. Here you guys can buy this token. The PancakeSwap can see the token chart here, and also the DXL is here. Why Shikoku Star? Rapid rewards. For every transaction in Shikoku Star, buy or sell, 3% of the transaction is distributed to existing holders, which means you earn more Doge by holding. Automatic LP. For every transaction, 4% will be distributed towards the liquidity that exchange use and more accessible for holders' transaction to go through. Charity driven. Shikoku Star aims to be the bridge and the gap between the crypto and the real world events. They will achieve this by actually doing in the personal charity events, food drives, fundraisers, and more. Secure and safe. Shikoku Star smart contract is audited, liquidity is locked, and LP liquidity pool tokens will be burned. That means zero risk to our holders and they are safe. Here they had complete review on how you can buy this Shikoku Star. If you want to read, you can read here. Let's see the tokenomics of this token. Name is Shikoku Star, symbol is SHIX, and decimal digit is 9. Supply is 1 quadrennial. Distribution 4% marketing wallet, 50% burn. Initial burn is 40%. PancakeSwap liquidity 40%. Token tax is 3% auto LP acquisition, 4% distributed to holders, 3% charity wallet. The purpose: no pre-sale, fair launch, 100% drug proof, 100% liquidity lock. Ownership has been re-announced after the CoinMarketCap and the other centralized exchange. If you want, you can read the roadmap of this token. If you here. Frequently asked questions, we can see what is use of Shikoku Star. Shikoku Star is used in meme platform where meme creator will submit memes and get paid by user in Shikoku Star. Whole system will be decentralized. How can I buy Shikoku Star and what is Shikoku Star contract address? You can see here. Let's see the BSC scan contract address of this token. Token is Shikoku Star. We can see the total supply and holders are 241. Transfers are 824. Contract address we can see here. Decimal digit is 9. And if we go down, we can find the transactions here. Here we can see the live price of Shikoku Star on the Pan token chart here. Here is the Shikoku Star live price in BNB. Total supply market capital is $1,90,000. PCV2 6 BNB LP holdings we can see 30.94 BNB. And if we go down, we can find the chart, and the charts look so bullish. If you want to buy, you can just buy this token. And if we go down, we can find the transaction here. Lot of buys and only one sell are there. Here we can buy this token easily on the PancakeSwap by simply click I understand, then click import. Then we can swap from BNB to SHIX token easily. So guys, if you like this token, you will get all the links of buying in the description, and if you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching the video.